much do you need to know about a person before you feel comfortable making a loan?
Let's say someone wants to borrow 1,000 ringgit from you. What would you want to know about that person before you feel comfortable giving the loan to them?
Most of us give credit to someone that we know because we trusted them. But most of us are probably not gonna lend our money to a stranger unless we know a little something about them.
Same goes with commercial bank. They need to know a little something about us before we can obtain a loan. And that's through credit score. However, there are 2.5 billion people in the world who don't have a credit score. Some of them have no bank account and no credit histories. And because they don't have a credit score, they are unable to obtain a loan.
Fortunately, we have an idea to help these 2.5 billion people so they can be trusted. The idea is to create a mobile application that can help them build their credit score using the mobile data.
There are currently more than 1 billion smartphones in the emerging market, and these people are using the phone the same way we use our phone. They are texting their friends, making phone calls, and even making financial transactions. Little did we know this transaction is actually being recorded in our phone, and this will help us to help these 2.5 billion people who have no credit score.
So this is how the application works.
Our customers will install our app and they will give us access to their data. When we have access to their data, we will capture it through our mobile application. This data will help us understand the creditworthiness of the customer.
The higher the creditworthiness, the more likely they can obtain their loans.
Here is a simple example.
This is Jennifer, a small business owner in Kenya. She is 65 years old and has been running a food stall for decades.
Jennifer's food stall does well. She makes just enough for her daily expenses, but she is not financially stable. A little emergency can force her into taking debt.
And because Jennifer don't have collateral and business history, she can't walk into a bank and ask for business loan. If Jennifer wants credit, her options are limited. But one day, her son convinced her to download our mobile application and apply for a loan.
She answered a few questions and she gave us access to a few key data points on her device. Based on her data, she had no credit history, but the data also shows that she had a greater picture of a potential. She made regular phone calls to her family.
The data shows that 4% increase in repayment among people who consistently communicate with few close contacts. Secondly, we can see that Jennifer traveled a lot throughout the day, but she actually had a regular travel pattern.
The data shows 6% of increase in repayment among those customers who are consistent in spending most of their time.
These are just some of thousands of different data points that the mobile application can look at to understand the creditworthiness of the customer.
After considering Jennifer's data, we gave Jennifer a loan.
These are the data that cannot be found in banks or any other financial institution.
But it creates trust. This mobile application can improve Jennifer and billions of people like her.
People could use this loan for traveling, family expenses, emergency, and even for investment.
With something as simple as a credit score, we give people the opportunity to improve their lives. Thank you.